Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AliExpress as a dropshipping supplier, my sourcing experience and review. AliExpress as a dropshipping supplier allows entrepreneurs to source products directly from manufacturers and suppliers primarily based in China, and ship them directly to customers without holding inventory. It's targeted towards e-commerce businesses, particularly those using the dropshipping model. Key features include a vast product catalog, competitive pricing, and integration with various dropshipping platforms. Their website provides a massive selection of products across countless categories. AliExpress promotes ease of use, boasting a straightforward interface for finding products and communicating with suppliers. While there are no subscription fees to use AliExpress itself, pricing varies depending on the supplier and product. Compared to sourcing agents or wholesalers, AliExpress offers a lower barrier to entry for beginners. Availability is generally quite broad, as the platform connects businesses with numerous suppliers. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AliExpress as a dropshipping supplier. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I created an account, browsed the product categories, and started contacting potential suppliers for my hypothetical online store selling phone accessories. The interface was a little overwhelming at first with the sheer volume of products, but the search and filtering options helped narrow down my search. I found a supplier offering phone cases with decent pricing and good reviews. I ordered a sample product to check the quality and shipping time. The sample arrived in about 3 weeks, which is within the expected timeframe for e-packet shipping. The quality was surprisingly good for the price. Navigating the communication process with the supplier was relatively easy using the built-in messaging system. I had a quick question about customizing the product packaging, and their support responded within a day. I was really impressed by how easy it was to find trending products using the AliExpress dropshipping center. The standout feature for me was definitely the wide selection of products, which allows for greater flexibility in curating a unique product catalog. One minor drawback was the language barrier with some suppliers, though using a translation tool helped bridge the gap. It also took me a little while to get used to the different shipping options and understanding their respective costs and delivery times. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using AliExpress as a dropshipping supplier, particularly for testing product viability and finding niche items. That's my overview of AliExpress as a dropshipping supplier. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.